Hello, my name is Mark and I'm the Vice President of Education for BSD. And today I'm going to answer some questions about coding and programming, why it's important, and tell you a little bit more about some of the products that we have, some of the projects that we have created for the Hour of Code. Well, in a basic explanation of coding, it's really just a computer language. So you can learn languages like Spanish and Portuguese, and these are new ways that you can communicate with other people. Coding languages are ways that you can communicate with computer systems. So different computer systems require different types of languages. For example, at BSD, we teach web coding languages, which are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, because we think that the web is the most visible form and most accessible form of a way to communicate with code. So we teach children how to do basic level HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for making web pages, all the way up to advanced things like artificial intelligence and virtual reality. Well, at BSD, we think that coding is really just another tool that children can have as a means to express themselves. So writing is a tool, and art is a tool, painting, drawing, these are all ways that you can express yourself. And code is just one of those things that you can use as a new way, as a new means, or a new material that you can use to express yourself. Another reason why coding is important is because, today, we use technology everywhere, from the phones in our pockets to our computers and devices that help us navigate our vehicles. So we think that having just a base level understanding of how these things work will help people to solve problems in the future. And we wanted Code is Your Voice to be available for the Hour of Code to show BSD's unique way of teaching children how to program in a scaffolded environment where children are learning syntax along with structure in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, but also in such a way that allows them to share what's important to them and to make something at the end that they're proud to show off and share with other people. Well, we have 5 projects, and you can participate in any of them during Hour of Code. The first project you may want to try is called The People Who Inspire Me. It's the easiest project to get started with. And the idea is that you would pick 3 people who have inspired you in your life somehow, some way. Maybe they're famous people, or maybe they're people who are close to you, like your family. And then you'll be guided through the instructions for how to add images, titles, and descriptions of these people. And at the end, you can share that out with your friends, with your family, post it on your own webpage. So we think that's a great start because it allows you to learn a little bit about coding, a little bit of the syntax involved in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, but it also allows you to quickly use code, like it says, as your voice to explain yourself, to describe what's important to you, to share with the world. Well, the Hour of Code is coming up, and we would love for you to participate in the 5 projects that we have available. Whether you have done some coding or it's something that's completely new to you, we will walk you through every step of the way with our guided instructions. And so we hope that with the Hour of Code, not only will you learn just a little bit of coding, but you'll learn that code is just a new way to express yourself. Just like art is a way to express yourself and music is a way to express yourself, code is also a way for you to express yourself. And please do check out the many other Hour of Code activities that are available for you to try. There's probably just about something for everyone.